Hey guys, welcome back to another professional unboxing. Today we're here joined by...
His brother!
Well, you're going to say your goddamn name.
My name's Logan.
Okay, and what are we unboxing today, Logan?
This minion toy I think I got today. It looks, really fun. Let's get into the unboxing.
So, whoa.
I think I just stabbed something.
Whoa. You need to stop, okay?
Okay.
Right, so I think we unbox it from here.
Yeah, right.
So one sec.
Yeah.
I don't even think you need...
Well, anyway, no, there's sellotape there, so yeah.
Okay. Sorry guys, I just accidentally blocked out the camera. But yeah, we're unboxing this. So where did you get this from?
Cruise Hill.
Cruise Hill, yeah?
Yeah. Right.
And, kid, I don't think we need a knife. Let go.
But we do. Professional unboxing time.
Yeah, I don't think this is really being professional, is it?
I don't care.
Look, pass it.
Pass it back to me.
Hold this. Okay, you do the recording, okay? I think you may have stabbed something there.
Hi guys.
So
There's the popper thing.
looks like we have a pump or anything else.
I think I might stab that.
Ooh. So
Yeah, that goes there. Yeah. And you put... Where'd you put the air thing? Oh, yeah. The air thing below it. Right, yeah.
you still recording this, dude?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
So we built this, guys. Now we're going to test this out.
Connor!
We need to test the
You've
record.
got stickers!
Yeah, we'll screw this thing. We need to test this out.
Stickers!
We need to test this out. Record this.
Fine. Right, I'm recording it.
What was that?
Toy.
Mind the light fittings. Do you have to stand quite so hard?
Yes.
Just outside.
Take it into the garden.
Look, yeah, the garden. Oh, boys. Yeah, I'm still recording, boys.
Yeah.
The automatic light will come on, but this end switch,
Yeah.
we'll
This
put a
one.
permanent one on
This one.
Oh, yeah.
as well.
Let's do permanent, yeah, guys. Right.
Thank you.
Let's go up, boys.
Oh, you locked the door.
Oh,
He's in the. Just there, look, they're in the curtain.
in the
Oh,
kitchen.
there.
I do that to stop the draft. What?
There.
Where was it? I knew I had another one. I knew I bought one.
Still recording, bro. 3 minutes to go before, bro.
Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna post this on YouTube.
I don't know how we unlock this door.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yo,
Stop.
you still recording?
Yeah, bro, I'm still recording. Show your face.
No.
We're doing it at the moment, don't worry. Just say no, Millie, just saying something.
The lock gets a bit stiff. Do you want me to do it?
What keys is it? This one?
There's several, but two. Have you done that one? Yeah, that one's done.
Oh.
Then you've probably got to do this one. So we've had robberies around here recently, so we make sure we well and truly lock up.
Fair enough.
What's the matter?
What's the top one?
Can you move in a bit? Sorry. I don't want to put the top one on. There we go.
Thank
Is
you.
here we go. Right. Thank you.
Right, guys, it's pretty dark out, so
That's why we got the permanent light on, guys.
you got to get that good lighting, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna get a good lighting, bro.
You need a good lighting.
I think Nan just locked the door on us, bro.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me pump it. Watch you.
Recording, right? I'm a little... Look, stop. Look at me. I'm a little dictator named Kim Jong-un, and I'm going to fire this rocket all the way to America. Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh,
That one all the way to goddamn.
North America,
That,
right?
that one all the way.
pump it.
That one all the way to the third world.
Let me pump it. Right.
Right. What we
Right,
gonna
so
do?
it's me, boys. It's me again, right? What, again, bro.
Shit.
Again, bro.
You want to do that again?
Yeah, bro. Right. This
One
is
second, let me get my...
this here, boys.
Yeah? Yo,
Is
what
what, yeah?
t-shirt you got on?
Yo, Christmas one, 'cause it's nearly Christmas, bro.
Yeah? What,
Yeah.
what do you get for Christmas?
Hopefully, a few games and pop vinyls, you know.
What games you getting?
Or I've asked for.
You want to get that new Lego Batman, don't you?
Nah, I want to get, you know. I've asked for the new Wolfenstein too, bro.
Yeah, you haven't even played the first Wolfenstein though.
So what? And what other one have I asked for? I don't even know what the other
Okay, no one cares. Let's let's
yeah.
launch this nuke even. Sorry about my sheet language.
Nuke to King John.
Yo, that was terrible. Let me...
No, one more time. One more time, bro. King John in time.
Yo, let me do this. Let me do this. Look.
Okay, bro.
Look.
Wait, you want to do this, Connor?
Yeah, I want to do this. You hold the camera.
That's it, yeah. I'm cameraman! Logan!
Yo, my God, hold the camera.
Okay, bro! I'll hold the
Dude, we're not going to get this ad revenue if it's not 10 minutes. We got to play out. We got to play out the time.
Shite.
Yeah, see, we need these ads. So,
Your highest thing is 10 minutes you can do.
So, what do you want to talk about to get this timer?
I don't know, you know. Let's just talk about you putting a face on a sperm.
Me putting my face on sperm?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, today as we were coming home from space, right, I got a bit bored,
Crucial.
so I went on Snapchat, and you know how you can cut your face out of a photo, yeah? I put my face on a couple of things, yeah, it was pretty fun, they'll be down in my Instagram and stuff like that maybe, so yeah, let's launch this nuke.
Wait, say Instagram.
My Instagram, why should I say Instagram?
Because then they can follow you on Instagram, yeah? And see your pics.
Yeah, well, what Instagram account do I do?
Your newest one, which you're going to post them on. Or your
Okay,
old one.
underscore http.connor underscore. Connor is spelled CONOR. Yeah? Alright. Good. Now let's launch this.
Ugh.
I want to see how far I can throw this little nuke. You don't mind if I hit that?
Connor.
I didn't mean to do that.